Hello everyone. In the previous session, we saw about the categorical data, what is data and how we can classify. In the categorical data, we have two types. One is nominal data, the other one is the ordinal data. In this video, we are going to see about the other types of data. The next one is like numerical data. In this numerical data, we have two types. One is ratio, the other one is the interval scale. And also discrete data can be measured but cannot be counted, like 4 reds, 5 blues, that and all are discrete data, like how many rooms in the houses. Say for example, 5 members having 2 bedroom houses, there are 7 members having 5 bedroom. This 3, 5 and all are the numeric data. At the same time, it has some discrete data. It is also helps us to classify the things which cannot be counted. This average or standard deviation will not give any meaningful at all. At the same time, number of male students in the class, this is also in numerical data. Continuous data cannot be counted but can be measured, like weight, length and all can be measured, cannot be counted. Okay, this is the major difference between the discrete data and the continuous data. In this continuous data, we are again classify into two types. One is interval data. In this interval data, say for example, actual true zero value will not mean that there is nothing in that. True zero is not representing here. It's also a scale that is being counted. Say for example, zero temperature. If we have an interval scale like this, -10, -5, 0, +5, +10, +15 and all, this zero, it doesn't mean there is no temperature. So here the true zero is not being considered. Order units have same difference, okay, between the 0, -10, -5. Difference is 5. -5, 0, 5. So the order units have same differences. At the same time, we can understand the equal differences among the interval, and it don't have true zero value. Okay, as I said, if it means zero, it doesn't mean there is no temperature. Zero is as temperature, it's also represent a kind of temperature. But if I say zero weight, nothing is there. Zero people take this food, it means none of them is taking that food. So this zero has true value, but here zero means temperature. We could not say there is no temperature at all. Zero is a kind of temperature. But in the ratio data, we have 0, 5, 10, 15 and all. In this, actual zero represent the true value of zero. Zero length means there is no length. 5 meter, 5 inch, 10 inch, 15 inch. Okay, here the order units have same differences as like interval scale, and the ratio values are the same as the interval values. Here this have absolute zero value. Okay, 0 to 100, 0 to 1000, 0 to 1 lakh. This means the say for example, I am categorizing like 0 to 1 lakh as one income group, 1 lakh, 1 to 2 lakh is other income group. Here, zero represent there is no income. Not is it's not like that in the ratio scale. But in the questionnaire, I'm asking what is your income. If you are mentioning as zero, it means you are not having any income at all. So here the absolute zero value will be considered. This is the major difference between the ratio and the interval scale. This is very, very, very important. In the SPSS, we have to tell which scale, what scale is it is. This data is the ratio, is interval, is nominal, is ordinal, that to be represented. That's why we are giving that much impact on this. Okay, and also, which is very, very important to understand the types of data to finalize the statistical tool also. Say for example, t-test could not be used for nominal data. T-test can be used for ratio scale. The reason behind this, in based in the t-test, all the data are to be calculated and worked on the numbers, and mean value is the major thing. Based on the mean value, the test is being working. At the same time, if I am making the mean value for number of males or the number of females, obviously it doesn't give any meaningful information. So to select the statistical tools, we should understand what type of data it is. The other thing is, we have to segregate the data, and also we have to understand the data before applying the tools. For everything, we should know about the base of data types. This is where. Now we will have a small assessment. Number of rooms in a house is what type of data? Yes, it's an numerical data. 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be our answer. This is in terms of numbers. But 3, 5 of them may say 3, 2 of them may say 7, 2 of them may say 1 and all. So it is the repetition will be from 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. Here we can count it, but the average number of houses in a room will number of rooms in a houses will not going to give any meaningful information. So it's a discrete data. Yes, we saw something about the introductions of data and how to be classified. In these two series, we saw about the categorical data and the numerical data. In this video, we saw about the numerical data and how it is being classified, and how to why we are thinking and talking about these things is very important, because based on this only we can finalize the statistical tools, and also we have to give the nature of the data. That's why we are giving that much importance on the data types. Thank you. We will see in the next video.